The box got many parts. I am taking them out one by one and keeping them aside. There's also an assembly instruction. So I am going to assemble the parts saying the instruction. First, I am assembling 2 short boats and 1 long boat. Then connecting by screws. Now inserting the bottom board. The base board is ready now. It's time to fix other accessories. Now I am installing the bars with attachments into the holes of the long board. And then inserting the last long board. Now I am inserting 6 handles into the bars and making sure all the handles are tightened. These are the score readers. I am putting one for red team and another one for yellow team. Now I am fixing 4 legs into the boards and making sure the table is balanceable. These are the flag stickers. I am going to choose 2 and put one for each team. Finally, putting the ball on the center pitch. All set, it's time to enjoy the game. Thanks for watching.